This video is going to cover how to create contacts in Energy, and that will be for our vendors as well as our customers. So to begin with, we're going to click on Contacts in the left menu of Energy. Under Companies, we're going to Create, and we'll use an example. We will call it Dan's Awesome Company. So we need to choose a type. Most of the time that is going to be general contractor or vendor. Basically, general contractors will always be our customers and vendors will always be people we buy things from. So I'm going to call it a vendor, and we want to create an office at the same time. Now, what we have been doing at Woodcrafters is put in an address. So we're going to put in Woodcrafters address, and we'll call it 744th Street in Marion, Iowa, 52302. Now for our office names, just as a general naming convention of offices, we are naming it the city for the time being. So the office of Dan's Awesome Company is going to be in Marion. We'll click on Create, and that will automatically take us to the company we created. We'll click on Offices. You'll be able to see that the Marion office now exists. And if I want to open that up, I typically will open that up, click on Edit, and I want to put in a phone number. So I'm going to put in my home phone number, my cell phone. And once I get my phone number in there, potentially an email, I'll go ahead and save or update office. Now in every vendor and every customer, we have to have people associated with that. Within our customers, we typically have the estimating/sales department, the customer service, and the accounts payable department. So if you go look at customers, which I'll show you at the end of this video, you'll see the three different contacts for people that we have inside of customers. Within vendors, we are typically clicking on People, Create, and simply call it Customer Service. If we do have a contact, a specific contact for a company, we definitely want to enter that, but most of the time it's going to be to Customer Service. We'll assign an office and copy phone and address data from office. So it got my phone and my address, and I'll create the person. And that's it. So in order to recap, I do want to jump back to companies, and I will show you a customer. And we'll use Graham Construction right now. You can see within Graham Construction, we have one office, which is the Des Moines office. And then under people, we have Jesse McDonald, which was entered as an individual person, but the estimating sales, customer service department, and accounts payable department. When you enter these in, be sure to just enter them into as accounts payable in the first name category, which will be up here when you go to create a person, right there, first name. That's it. If you have any questions, let me know.